Get ready to sweat and burn lots of calories in today's cardio kickboxing workout. This one is loaded with kickboxing inspired exercises that are going to get your heart rate up. Remember to have fun with all of this. If you're ready, give me a thumbs up. Do like, share this workout with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more such workouts. Come on, let's get started.
Hi everyone. So get ready to burn some major calories with us today. We are going to do cardio kickboxing. So are you ready to kick with us all? We'll be showing you a bunch of modifications from beginners to advanced. All of you can join and you will definitely need some water. So keep some water nearby. There are no equipments necessary. So yeah, before we start, I just want to introduce Mansoor.
Hello everyone.
So he'll be the one you will have to exercise along with. I'll just explain the workout before we start. We are going to do a quick warm-up and then we're going to do the whole workout. We'll have a timer challenge at the end and then we're going to end with a cool down and stretch. Are you ready? Let's start. Let's start with jogging. Come on, let's jog. Jog. Okay, you don't go too intense in the warm-up. You're just prepping your body. So don't go too intense. Breathe. Keep inhale throughout the workout. Try to inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Okay? Breathe and stop and do 20 jumping jacks. 20 jumping jacks. 3, 2, go. Breathe. 10 more. 10, 9, 8. You can of course add all modifications. If you don't want to jump, just step in, right, left, and stop and jog again in your place. Jog. Okay, follow him. Come on, jog. And 3, 2, 1 and stop. And you're gonna do a squat and lift your arms up. Okay, exhale. You're gonna do sharp exhale over here. Inhale, exhale, sharp exhale. Can you just turn around so they can see?
Yeah.
Okay. So inhale, exhale. And again come in the center, jog. If anyone has any questions, you can definitely ask us as well. And stop and let's do front kicks, okay? Just warming up still, go. 3, 2, 1, start. Kick. You're gonna do alternate, you're gonna do on the right, left. And if you're following my page, you definitely know Mansoor, okay? So he's no newbie to you. So come on, let's warm up and jog. And let's do 20 jumping jacks again. 3, 2, 1, go quick. 20. 1, 2, breathe, exhale, inhale, exhale. Give me 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. You're working out with us at the moment, okay? You're not just watching it on sitting on your sofa, okay? Come on, 3, 2, 1 and stop and breathe. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Breathe, and let's do shoulder rolls. We're still just warming up, okay? Shoulder rolls. We're gonna do 5 at the 5 back and 5 forward. And another last 5 forward, okay? Now 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And let's jog in your place again. Just jog in your place. If you find this workout is too intense for you, so you can just do part of it or you can continue with it later as well. Okay, and stop. So that was it. That was our warm-up. Hope you're all nice and warm and ready to kick this workout, okay? Let's start. Just jump out and in, okay? And jog back. Jog. If you don't want to jump all this wide, you can also walk and jog back, okay? Walk and jog back. Keep going. And now heel jump though. Jump. Yes. Be soft on your feet, okay? Don't make that loud noise. Be soft on your feet. We are working out on a carpet, so we don't need any shoes. But if there are any tiles or something, please wear shoes. If you have any knee pain, please wear your plasters or whatever you have to wear. Okay? Come on. And give me 2 more. 1 and 1 more. And jog in your place. Jog. Okay, now jump out in wide. 3, 2, go. 1, 2. Again, if you don't want to jump, you just step in like this, okay? Come on. Give me 10 more. 10, 9. All of you working out with me, right? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and stop. Breathe. You're going to do 2 of these jumps and then you're going to do 2 front kicks. Okay? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Go. 1, 2 and kick. With your right leg and with your left leg. Go. 1, 2 and kick. Come on, kick, kick higher, higher, higher. Look, because he's doing it all correctly, he's already out of breath. Okay, so you should be too. We're gonna take a break, but not right now. You're not taking a break right now. Okay, the higher you kick, the more you'll work your abs. Okay, so try your best to kick as high as you can. Okay, you have to push yourself, and he'll do 2 more. 1, 2, and last time go 1, 2, and again just jump out in, out in. Okay, breathe, breathe. Of course, you can do modification where you'll just step. Okay, where you'll just step. Give me 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. I'm reading all your questions on my phone here. Okay, so if you have any questions, do ask me. 3, 2, 1, and perfect. Okay. Now we're going to do 2 jumps and we're going to do 2 side punches. Okay. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Go. 1, 2, and 2 side punches. Exhale. 1, 2, side. Okay. 1, 2, side. And when you punch on the side, exhale through your mouth, okay? And punch it like you mean it, okay? Don't just give me lazy punches. Punch it like you mean it. You're punching someone, okay?
All the frustration out.
All the frustration out. Come on. We've been sitting at home, so now we really need to work out. We need to get back. Come on. Give me 5 more. 5. Jump, jump. If you don't want to jump, you can always just step in. Okay, but punch with all your energy. Okay, all your energy. 3, 2 more. Come on, 2. 1 more. And just jog again. Jog, jog, jog. Breathe. This is your active rest. Okay, where you can catch your breath. You can relax. Breathe. And again, jump out in, out in. 20. 3, 2, 1. Go. 1, 2, 3. Exhale, exhale. 4. Inhale, exhale. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 more, 10. You're not stopping right now, okay? Walk out with me, with us, come on, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and stop. Now you're going to do 2 of these jumps and you're going to kick on the right and left. 2 of these jumps, right and left, okay? 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, kick on the right and kick on the left. Perfect, go. 1, 2, kick and switch, kick. Keep going, okay? You'll notice with his right leg, he's kicking on the left side, okay? So you're doing a torso twist, so you're working your abs. Okay? And you don't need to do any specific exercises to work your abs. When you work total body, if you keep your core engaged, you're working your abs all the time. So you don't have to specifically do crunches or sit-ups or anything, okay? And few more. And let's just jog, 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 okay? Jog. I'm reading your comments if anybody has anything. Yes. Hello, Fatima Bin, come on. Jog and jog. Faster, faster, faster. Faster, faster. Increase your speed. Come on. 3, 2, 1. And just jump out and in again. Out and in. Out. In. Out. In. Give me 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And jog your place again. Jog. And relax. Breathe. 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 Okay, we're not taking a break here. Okay, you're here to burn some major calories. Okay, so don't laze around. Come on. Now you're going to do a wide jump forward and then jog and come back. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Again, that we did in the beginning, right? Go. Jog and come back. Jog and come back. Look, he's soft on his feet. Okay, but like while he's jumping, he's not making any noise while he jumps. So be soft. Okay, be soft in your joints. Give me 3 more. 3. You can of course step in if you don't want to jump. 2, 1 more, and jog again. Jog, jog. Don't take a break yet, okay? We are working out with you, so we know what you're going through. Okay, so don't take a break right now. Jog, 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 and stop, stop, breathe, breathe. Okay, now you're just gonna jump on your place. Okay, like hop up and down, up and down. Ready? 3. So this is the active rest. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go, go, go. Keep your feet wide. Okay. Breathe. Hello, everyone who's just joined it. We are doing cardio kickboxing workout, okay? And since you have missed the warm up and everything, so just do like 20 jumping jacks and join us along, okay? Give me 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Okay. Now we're going to do 4 of these jumps and 4 punch in the 4 front punches, okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Punch like you mean it, okay? Remove all your anger, any frustration that you have, okay? Come on. Jump, jump, and punch, punch. You have to feel the burn in your arms and your shoulders, okay? Come on. Are you feeling the burn? Are you? Come on. 2 more. 1, 2. Exhale, exhale, exhale. 1 more. 1, 2, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, and just jump in your place. Just jump in your place. Jump, 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 jump. Breathe. If you don't want to jump, just jog in your place as well. That's fine, okay? This is a modification that you can do if you don't want to jump. But we are going to jump. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and should I exercise along with you? Yeah, exercise along with us. Come on. Jog, jog. Okay, now you're going to do those jumps again 20, okay? Go.
Okay. The forward one?
No, just jump in your place. Jump, jump. Give me 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Don't worry, I'll not make you do any extra rep, okay? We'll do 10 only, we'll not do 11 or 12. And, okay, now we're going to do 4 jumps and we're going to do 4 front kicks, okay? 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 3,
okay.
3, and 4. Go. And 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump. Kick higher. You want to work your abs, right? Kick higher. You have to push yourself. Okay, you can definitely do this. Why not? Push yourself. Even with modifications, you have to complete your workout. Okay. And just jump in your place again. Jump, jump, jump. Okay, now I'm going to just tell the next move. When you jump, do 4 jumps and do side punches, okay? So 1 on the right, left, Alright? 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Few more. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump. Punch. Punch. Okay, so look, when he's punching, he's moving his back. He's facing that side. So you're working your back as well here. It's a total full body workout. Okay, there's all the muscles of the body you're working with this one. And give me 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Last time. 1 more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And jog your place. Jog. You're not going to take a break right now. You're not going to sit. You're working out with us, okay? If you really exhausted, you can just walk around for like 10 seconds and then join us back, okay? But don't sit, don't take a break. Okay. Now, what you're going to do is, you're going to keep 1 foot forward and 1 at the back. Okay? 1 foot forward and 1 at the back. Okay. Now, his right leg is forward, left leg is back. Okay? Now, just give me 20 punches in the front. 3, 2, 1, go. Exhale. Exhale. While you punch, exhale. And give me 10 more. Why is it stopping? 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and breathe. Don't move your feet, okay? Breathe. Now, you're going to do 4 punches and the leg that is at the back, do 4 knee ends, okay? So you'll see what that is. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, knee in. And 1 more. Again, go 4 punches. 1, 2, 3, 4, in and in. Yes, we will save the lives. Come on, we can do it later. 1, 2. Give me 2 more. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Knee in. When you get this knee in, keep your abs tight, okay? Do sharp exhales in here. 1 more. 1 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and jog in your place. Jog in your place. Jog, jog, jog. Come on, jog. 3, 2, 1, go. And still the same leg, right leg forward, left leg back. Okay, the same side still. Now give me again 20 punches. Okay, we're gonna take a break soon. Don't stop here. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. More energy. 7, 8, 9, 10. And 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And jog in your place. Jog. 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 This is a breather, okay? This is where you can take your rest, where you can catch your breath. Again, right leg forward, left leg back. Okay, now we're going to do those 4 punches and 4 kicks with the leg that is at the back. Okay, the left leg which is back. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, kick. 1, kick, kick. Yes, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, kick. Okay, no high knees, kick. No knee in, kick. 3 and 4. Keep going. 1. Exhale, exhale. Yes, 4 and 4. And if you give me 2 more, go. 1, 2, 3, 4 and go. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 more.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and jog and jog. Okay, we just have to do these exercises on the left side and then we're taking a break, okay? 3, 2, go. 10 seconds, just jog. Just jog for 10 seconds. We're just going to do all these exercises, these 4 exercises on the left side and then we take a break, okay? And let's start. Now all these exercises, now you know the exercises, so you can just quickly follow along, okay? 3, yeah, the left leg forward and right leg back.
Okay, kicks, high knees.
Yeah. No, only punches, 21. 3, 2, 1, go. Exhale, exhale, exhale. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Breathe. And I forgot to count. 3, 5, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm so busy reading the comments. And okay. Now we're going to do 4 punches and 4 knees with the leg that is back. Okay, so his right leg is back. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, 4, 4. Okay, 3 and 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 2 more. Few more, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Few more. Come on. You're not stopping here, okay? You have to finish this workout. You have to finish this workout with us, okay? And give me 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And jog in your place. Jog in your place. Jog, 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 jog. Okay? Now the same thing. Keep one leg forward, one at the back. Okay, give me again 20 punches. Ready? 3.
This one?
Yes. Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3. Exhale, exhale, exhale. 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep your abs really tight. Abs tight. Okay. With more energy, punch. Every punch should be stronger than the previous one. Okay. You want to get stronger. We just don't want to lose weight or all that. We have to get stronger, fitter. Give me 3, 2, 1, and jog, jog again. Jog, jog, jog. And again, 1 foot forward, 1 at the back. This is the last exercise, then we'll take a break, okay? 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick with this leg. 1 at the back. 2, 3, 4. 1 more. A few more. 2, 3. Kick. Go quick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick, kick, kick. You all working out with us, right? Come on, don't just watch this while sitting on your sofa or doing something else. Work out with us. Give me 2 more. 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Give me last 1, 2, 3, 4, and just jog in your place. Jog in your place. Okay, I know I told you this is the last move, but you gotta slowly bring your heart rate down. Jog. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Okay, we're quickly going to take a 1 minute break. Okay, a quick 1 minute break, and then you're back in. Just quickly get some water, and don't like gulp down water. Have them in small sips. Okay. Quick, only 1 minute. Okay, you just have 1 minute. Quickly walk around and come.
Feel the burn.
Are you feeling the burn? Come on.
Feeling the
He
burn.
is definitely feeling the burn. And he's totally drenched in sweat, so should you, okay? Ready? Okay, so we're going to repeat all this one more time. Now you know the drill, you know the format, so you're just going to quickly catch up with us, okay? You don't need to even watch the video or something, just quickly do it with us, okay? If we do 10 reps, you can go 12 reps as well if you want to go intense. Ready? Okay, so we're going to start again, just jog in your place. This is only 2 rounds, so this is the last round, okay? You made it so far, just one more. Come on, let's go. Jog. Jog, 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 jog. This second round would be of more energy, okay? And let's go. Jump forward and jog back. 3, 2, go. Let us know how you like this move, because many people love this move. I also love this move. That's why I've included it in today's workout. Okay? One of my favorite moves. Because we like moving around. We just don't like standing in one place. So we totally love this move. Let us know. Give me 2 more. 1 more. It's really nice to see when somebody else is working out and I am not, so. And just jog in your place. Jog in your place. Jog, 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 jog. Okay, breathe. Now you have to jump out in, okay? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Quick. Quick, quick. Few more. If you don't want to jump, you just like step in on the right and left, okay? Give me 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Now you're gonna do 2 jumps and you're gonna do 2 kicks in the front. Okay? 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, and kick. 2 kicks. 1 and 2. Again. 1, 2. You know all this, right? Come on. 1, 2, kick. Few more seconds. Go. 1, 2, kick. Few more. 1, 2, kick. And 1 more. Come on. 1, 2. You're doing the exact reps with us, okay? Don't cheat and do few reps, okay? And jog. Yeah, sorry, jump. You were right. Give me 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and now you're going to do 2 and you're going to punch on the side. So 1 right, 1 left, okay? 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, and punch. Right and left. Again. 1, 2, punch. Right, left. 1, 2, punch. Right, left. 1, 2, punch. Breathe, okay? Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Good. Give me 2 more. Again. 1, 2, jump. If you don't want to jump, you can step in, right? Well, last one. And give me 20 jumps again. Go. 20, 19, 20, 19, 18, faster, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, faster, 4, 3, 2, 1, and thank you so much, and jog. A few more minutes, okay? We're almost done with the workout. And okay, now 2 jumps and you're gonna punch in the front, okay? 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, and 1, 2. Okay, it's a full body workout. Come on, jump. Your energy is still up, right? I don't want you to be Please, I don't want you to be like sitting in a corner and just watching this video. You have to work out with us. You're jumping, punching, kicking, everything with us, along with us. Okay, give me 2 more. 1 more. Okay, and jog. Come on, jog. 3, 2, 1, and breathe. Because he needs it, you definitely need it. Okay, and okay. Now just jump in the front and jog and come back. Okay. 3, again you can step in. Okay. 2, 1, go. 1 and back. 2 and back. 3. Just 2 more. Inhale, exhale through your mouth. Inhale, exhale through your mouth and jog in your place. 1 more and jog in your place. Jog. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and breathe, relax. Okay, now you're just gonna jump in your place, hop on your place, 1, up and down. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep your feet shoulder width apart. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and stop. Now we're going to do 4 jumps and 4 punches, okay? In the front. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. This is also one of the most loved class in our gym. So we do this at least like twice or thrice a month. Because people love this workout. I love this workout. Okay. The top favorites in my class. So I'm sure you guys will definitely love it too. And give me 1 more. 1 more after this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and just jump again. Up and down. Okay, now we're going to do 4 jumps. Okay, there's 4 jumps and 4 kicks in the front. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we are still being easy on you, and this is a shorter workout. Like when you're doing it at the gym, so it's like 1 hour of continuous workout. And all my strong ladies are continuously working out with me. Nobody takes a break. And it's a blast working out in the gym. So with this workout, so you should definitely even try it at home. It's amazing. We love this workout. And 1 more. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Question: can I join this? Of course, if you have just joined the live, okay, it is tiring. Munra, it is tiring, right? And okay, now go 1, 2, 3, 4 and punch on the side. Okay. 3, 2, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Punch. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna have a timer challenge and burnout at the end as well. So stay tuned to know what it is. Okay. And 1 more. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and jog in your place. Come on, jog. Okay, now we are almost at the end of the workout. Okay, 1 foot forward, 1 at the back. You know these exercises, right? You can repeat it on the right and left. Okay, so right now, right leg is forward and left leg is at the back. Okay, balance. Do 20 punches, 20 front punches. 3, 2, 1, go. All your energy in these punches, okay? Even though this is the end of the workout, your energy should be high. Come on. You should feel the burn in your arms. You should feel the burn everywhere actually. Give me 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and stop. And I can do 4 punches and 4 knee-ins, okay? 3, 2, don't move your feet, go. 1, 2, 3, 4 knee-in. 1 and 2, 3 and 1 more, 4. Again, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys with us, right? You're working out along with us, right? Come on, 2 more. Let me know if you joined, if you completed the whole workout and were with us from the beginning till the end, till we cool down. Give me 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. And last one. Go. 1, 2. And jog in your place. Jog. Okay. Now we're gonna do the kicks. Okay, we did the knee and we're gonna do the kicks. So again, one foot forward, one at the back. The same. Okay, right at the front, left back. Give me 20 punches again. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3. Alternate. Okay, right, left, alternate. Come on, right, left, alternate. Give me 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Okay, breathe. Now the same thing. Okay, one foot forward, one at the back, right, and then we will do 4 punches and 4 kicks with the leg that is back. Okay, this one. Left, 3, 2, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, kick. 1, kick. 2, 3, and 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And give me just 3 more. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 more. 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 more. 1 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And jog in your place. Jog. Okay. Now these 4 exercises we're going to do at the other side. Okay. 3. That's the end of the workout. Okay. So you made it so far. Just 4 more exercises. 3, 2, 1, go.
20.
And yeah, 20. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. More energy with every punch. It should be stronger than the previous one. Okay. Every punch should be stronger than the previous one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 4 punches, 4 knee in. Go. 2, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. In. 4. Again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. In. Abs tight, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't give up now. Don't stop now. We're almost at the end of the workout. Okay, you'll definitely be proud of yourself after you complete the workout. And sore for sure. And give me 2 more. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 1, 2, kick. 3 and 4 and knee. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 and knee. Go. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and jog in your place. We just have 2 moves remaining. Only 2 exercises. Okay. And let us start. 1 foot forward, 1 at the back. Now left leg is forward, right leg is back. 20 punches. 3, 2, go. Punch with more energy, okay? You want to work your arms, you want to work your back. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, okay? Now 4 punches and 4 kicks. This is the last move. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, kick. Last move, okay? Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Two, 3, 4, kick. At the end of the workout, okay? Just give me 2 more. 2 more. 1, 2. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 more only. And 1 last move. Come on, go. Last 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Last one. Last 2 repetitions. 1 repetition and jog in your place. Jog. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And you deserve a well long break. Okay. So proud of you that you completed it so far. Take a minute's break and then we have a burnout. We have a timer challenge. Okay. Get some water. Breathe. Keep walking around, okay? This is what I tell my class also, that in the breaks, don't sit down. You have to keep walking around, okay? The maximum we can allow you is to lean against a wall, but don't sit, okay? Okay, now, what is the timing challenge is that we have a timing challenge at the end of every class, okay? It really pushes everybody to do their own best instead of comparing yourself to the others. So we'll have a few exercises and we'll do 2 sets of those. There are 3 exercises. So first is 20 jumping jacks, 20 front kicks and 20 skipping rope. Okay, these 3 exercises and there are 2 sets. So I'll start the timer and just do them as fast as you can. Okay, you can take breaks if you want in the middle. You can go slow, you can go fast, you can complete it in 30 seconds, you can complete it in 5 minutes. Up to you. But try to complete as fast as you can. This is your own personal challenge. Okay, so I'll start the timer. And you start the timer on your phone. Ready?
Jumping
20 jumping jacks, 20 front kicks, and 20 skipping rope. Okay? 3, 2, 1. And you can, if you don't have skipping rope, just skip in your place. Okay? 2 and let's go. Start. 3. Again, I'm telling 20 jumping jacks, 20 skipping rope, and 20 front kicks. Okay? 2 sets. 2 sets. At your own pace, complete. At your own pace.
Front kicks.
Yes, front kicks. Go. Try to stay either along with us or faster than us, okay? 9. Few more. This is a quick timer challenge, otherwise we have like long 5-6 minutes challenge, but this is a quick one. You just be very kind and nice to you. Come on. 2. And skipping rope 20. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. We are 45 seconds in already. Go. If you don't have skipping rope, just skip in your place, okay? Just skip in your place. Ready? We did one set, we just have one more set to go. Go, start. 20 jumping jacks. Let us know in the comments how long you take to complete this timer, okay? Timer challenge. This is not an easy one, it's definitely very challenging, especially after such a awesome but tiring workout. Intense workout. And 20 front kicks. We are in the second exercise, second set. Okay. We still have many people with us, so come on. I hope all of you that are watching the live are working with us, okay? Yeah. And 20, okay? We are 1 minute 47 seconds in. 1 minute 47 seconds in.
20.
And done?
Yep.
That was 1 minute, 1 minute and 57 seconds. Okay, so we took 1 minute 57 seconds to complete the timer challenge. Let us know how long you take it, okay? Look at him, he's full sweating here. Look at his face. Your face should be similar.
I'm red just like my shirt.
Red, okay? And again, just take a minute's break. Keep walking around, but don't sit, okay? You can have some water. Don't sit. Okay, now the last thing we have before we move to our cool down and stretch, it is a burnout, okay? Even this is one of the most favorite sections in our class. We'll just start the timer and we'll try to complete as many reps as possible. It will just be 1 minute, okay? Just be 1 minute, but try to complete as much as you can, okay? So they are just 5 kicks on each side, like right 5, left 5, 5 jump, 5 front jacks, okay? And then 5. Then we'll do at like for the last 15 seconds we'll do shuffle, okay? 3
Front jacks.
front jacks. So keep your hand there and there. 3, 2, 1. Only 5. 2, 3, 4, and 5, and switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 front jacks. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Timer is on only 1 minute, and then football goes. Quick. Keep your feet wide. Go wider. Feet wide, wider, and go lower and wider. Okay. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Keep your back straight. 3, 2, 1, again. Let us know how many sets you can complete of this also. 3, 4, 5, and on the other leg, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and front jacks. 1. Keep it similar to jumping jacks, just the hands are there in front. And 15 seconds. Feet wide, wider. Back straight, look at the front. Yes. 5, 4, faster. 3, faster. You should feel the burn in your legs, okay? Your legs should be dead by now. 3, 2, 1, and we're done. Okay, that was a full intense kick-ass cardio kickboxing workout, and we are done. Okay, and if you were with us from the beginning till the end, amazing. Okay,
Leave us a thumbs up.
It really was. And let's take a minute's break and we'll cool down and stretch. Okay, and let's stretch. Okay, so get comfortable, breathe, and we're gonna stretch now. 2, 1, and go. Okay. With every exhale, try to stretch your arms even further. Okay. With every exhale, try to stretch your arms even further. You cannot just skip the cool down. Okay? You really need to cool down. And relax. Downward dog. Okay. Yes. Up. Go higher. Yes. Breathe. Okay. Pigeon stretch. Bring one foot forward. Can you the leg that is at the back? You're not on your toes. Okay. You're not on your toes. Relax. Stretch. Stretch. Stretch your arms again. Stretch. And switch. Switch. Okay, and slowly get back up. Slowly get back up. Okay, and let us do shoulder rolls. 5 forward, 5 back. And front. 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now stretch your quads here. 1 up. If you can't balance this, you can hold the wall. So you can take the support of a wall. And switch. Again, right leg. We are almost done. We're just cooling down and stretching. Okay. Switch, switch, switch. And done. And bring your knee in and stretch like this. Yes. Balance. Switch. You can focus on a spot on the ground. That will help you with your balance. Switch. Okay. Now, again, just roll your shoulders one more time. One more time, roll your shoulders and front. Stretch your arms. Okay, now one common mistake people do is like they fully turn this way. Okay, like they fully turn this way. You're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to push your elbow back. Okay, you look in the front. You don't turn. Switch. Just push your elbow. Okay, stretch your neck. Gently. Neck. Here. And keep one hand at the back. Here. And switch. And done. And we are done with the workout. We are done with everything. How are you feeling, Manju?
Oh, tired.
Tired. Let us know how you are feeling. And awesome work, you guys. It was a killer workout. It was intense. Hope you liked it. Hope you were with us from the beginning till the end. And see you guys. Take care. Bye.
Bye-bye.